Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you how to use coupon in Taobao. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So the first thing that you want to do here is you want to go to the official website for Taobao, or you want to open up the mobile app. Now from here, what we need to do next is we first need to search for the item that you want to actually buy. In this case, you can go and scroll to their categories here, select one, and just basically find the item that you want to buy. So as an example, maybe I want to buy one of the items here. So for example, I want to use this one. Let's go and click on it to open the actual page for the product. So let's just wait for it to load up. Now in this case, you go ahead and specify the items. I want to hear if they have any different styles for it. So in this case, you go ahead and select that, and from here on you could go ahead and click on the add to cart button, or you could go and click on buy it now. Now the next page, you need to log in into your account, which in this case, once you've logged in, you'll now have the checkout page, which in this case usually you'll have the option to add your address as well as the coupon code in the very last page there. Now you'll notice a option to add a coupon there. If you see a coupon icon at the top left of that specific text box, so if you do see that, go ahead and enter your coupon code there, and you should be able to add your coupon in Taobao. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.